Here I am before you, calling love and seeking your truth, knowing that your perfect grace has brought me to this place. Because of you I freely live, my life to you, oh God, I give. So I stand before you, God, I lift my